behind when I say you literally wake up gorgeous every day, on vacation and all. Whatever you got planned, your hair is laid for the full 6 months. I got back so much time when wearing this sew-in because I woke up late trying to get to the Usher concert, and I'm so glad I didn't have to do or figure out a quick hairstyle because my hair was already done. Even with leave out, I did not have to worry because my bundles literally match my texture. And now it's time for the takedown. Look at all of that new growth. Look at all of that hair. Hair still thick and got longer after 6 months. John bundles from Butisa Hair, 24 inch. Yes, it looks super long on me because I'm only 5'3". So yes, of course, the taller you are, the shorter it'll look. Thick from root to tip, and leave out blends perfectly. I kept my leave out healthy by maintaining my hair shampooed on time, conditioned on time, and I did not use excessive heat. So I straighten once and I don't go back in and straighten again. Here are quick videos of how I do a little maintenance day. I definitely go in and blow dry without using, the blow dry brush, just to minimize shedding and all of that. But you definitely detangle before you shampoo your hair. And I shampoo my hair in the shower. And it's super easy to do at-home maintenance. And when you're a client of mine, I definitely show you how to do that at the salon, so you'll be able to do your maintenance at home. And if you know how to style your hair, you can do that at home too. Loose crimps last, like crimps, curls, straightening it, everything lasts with this hair. This hair is super high quality. And we reached the end. I took the hair down, the sewing out. And as you can see, I still have a head full of hair. I have my edges, and then I straightened my hair, and it has grown so long and healthy. As you can see, after I straightened it, I decided to do a ponytail with no weave. No weave is added. So I just love finally being able to do cute little trendy hairstyles and not have to wear weave or add any extensions to them, because the health, as you can see, in the shine, the length is literally everything. So shout out to the 6 month sew-ins for getting my hair this healthy. My hair has never been this healthy ever in my life, or this long. So when people claim genetics, I honestly disagree. You really can't help everybody, but I try my best to show y'all like this system really works, and you're gonna get results every single time. Like, it's literally fail proof. It works on every client. As long as you stay consistent, you will see results.